You want to tell them what we're going to be doing? With your voice out of nowhere? What are we going to be doing? We're going to load Hangman onto the TRS-80. What is it? Model 10? The MC-10. We're going to use the... Come here, bud. Okay. Here's the EEEpc.
No, my name is Eli.
Okay, let's get our apparatus here all set up. Okay, what we've done, let's see, is we've gotten the, okay, hold on. Okay, what we've done is we've gotten cassette image files for the TRS-80 MC-10. We've converted them to WAV files. We're going to, let's see, it needs to go in the earphone jack. Yeah, I think that's right. Well, first let's play one and see what they sound like. Which one are you going to do first, Eli? Breakout or Hangman?
Hangman.
Hangman? Okay, let's see here. Let's see what it sounds like first. No, that's what it's supposed to sound like. Okay. We don't need any video, I guess. Let's go ahead and... I think this is the right way. Boot up the system. It's a fast booting system. It is booted. Okay. Here, do you want to... Let's load it in. Okay. Loading Hangman from the computer to the computer. We're waiting for it to load. There. Okay. Let's run it.
Hangman.
Hangman. Okay, choose a letter. What letter do you want to do first? Okay, maybe we'll play a little bit and we'll come back when we play Breakout. Try another letter.
Where's the L?
Over there. Ooh, no L.
All trying to make a word.
No, well, we made the word kick. I bet we could get the word list out of this game. Let's see. Look quickly, see if you see the word list. No, I didn't see it. Okay, well, we'll start loading Hangman here in a second. But first, let's reboot. Just do it like this. C load. Oh, let's wait. Wait, we gotta close this one. Closing it up. Now we're gonna play Breakout. Let's see if it's loading. Breakout. It'll tell us when it's ready.
When?
There, it's ready. Okay. Ooh, missed it. Ooh. What? There we go, finally. Yikes.
You mean yowzers?
Yowzers.
Why is it called Breakout?
Did you try to break out all those blocks? Not bad, not bad. Ooh, ooh. Ah.
You did a super breakout there.
That's pretty good. Ooh. That. Game over. There it is. Is that fun?